Well, hello and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a bit of a surprise video here. I am actually going out camping tomorrow, but this one just sort of happened in the last couple of days. So to give you a bit of a background, we were walking the dog and we saw a J-Pod, and a Jayco J-Pod, and I said to my wife, that'd be nice to have, but they're really expensive. And so she said, well, why don't you have a look, or maybe a teardrop camper, which I did. And yeah, way too dear, 14,000 to 25,000. So, but anyway, I kept on looking, and on Gumtree, I just happened to spot this. So welcome to the pup, I'm going to call this. Yeah. So I got this in Hobart this morning. So like I said, I had no intentions of doing any buying of anything, but I just wanted a little bit more ease of setup than what the rooftop tent and everything else is. So this came up at the right price, so I grabbed it. Now it is going to stay pretty much standard like that, but there is going to be some changes to it, which I'm going to hopefully do videos on. So I'll run you through some of the good things. It's got this box on the front here, which is full of canvas, but some of those are sides for the awnings, so that's going to be really good. I can get my chair and everything in there. Got a tow ball up here, which I could never figure out, but that's actually for a bike rack, which will be perfect for me. So it has got 4 awnings on it. So this one here is over what they call the kitchen, but this one here comes over the front. I think I'm going to take that one off. So, and this one here, I was going to put on a 270-degree awning on it, but I'm going to see what they're like first, because that's a June full drive and they're not bad. So these are little things like this here that are broken. Got to fix that up. But this is the kitchen. So it has got an inverter in it, which is on the other side, which is broken. It came with all the cutlery too, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that. But it's got a lot of light fittings and everything up here, but none of it works, so I'll have to figure it out, which is good. But perfect setup. Yeah, chopping board. I don't know where they're chopping boards. They're not bad. Got some 12-volt plugs on it here. No, they're keys. There you go. They're keys. They're broken, so lockable. But these latches here, they're had it. I'm going to change them. I'm going to put on proper ones that I can lock, so I might actually take them out. I'll show you the back in a minute. And this here's the other side. So the 12-volt system here, solar controller, which, yeah, not a great one, but I've got one of them in my other trailer. So this is the inverter, which apparently is had it, so I'll probably put a new inverter on it. This light I think works, but it's all flickery, so that's no good. But yeah, and this here is buggered, so I'm going to fix that as well. On top, what do we got on top? We have 2 of those little whirly vents, 2 fixed solar panels. There's a roof vent there, and there's a TV antenna in it, because it does actually have a TV in it, but I don't know whether that works yet. So, and one very small little tyre there. So yeah, I may change the roof out to a much better one, but let's have a look at that. Yeah, don't know about those. That one spins all right over there, but this one's not the greatest. May have to get a new one of those. It's got a gas bottle on it too, but it's not connected to anything, so I don't know about that. These here, these water containers, they're definitely going to go. They've got one on each side. That's as rough as guts, so I'm going to put a water tank underneath it. There's a little solar light here too. So, but this here, this is the reason that I jumped on it, because this is the bed. Now it looks pretty small, but I can actually, I'm 6 foot and I can lie right across it. Got a TV here with a DVD player in it, which if works would be really good. I wouldn't be interested in the TV, but the DVD player will be good. And got some shelves up here, got a thermometer, got some pockets there, but like I said, the fan works. I'll have to see how that works, whether it's too noisy. Gonna put some better lighting in here because it's only got this little light over here which isn't much. I'll put some 12-volt lighting in here. There's also a shelf behind there, little window here, phone holder, which I won't leave there. I don't know what that is, but yeah, I'm very impressed for the price. I'm not going to say what I paid for it, but I did get him to come down $2,500, so I'm really impressed with that. But yeah, that's the new camper trailer. So I'll just say it now, if anybody's interested in my old camper trailer, it will be for sale soon. So I haven't got a price on it yet, don't know what I'm gonna do. Yeah. Oh, one other thing, there's a fire extinguisher apparently in here, but I don't have the key to that lock, so that might have to come off and new latch being put on it. So, but anyway, that's the pup. So yeah, I won't be coming out on my trip tomorrow with it. I'll take my other camper trailer out for its last trip with me, and then I've got to transfer the stuff across and do some modifications to things and fix a few things, and yeah, see about the awning, see what condition they're in, and yeah, slowly but surely fit out things. So that's it for now. If you enjoy this channel, consider subscribing to it, and I'll see you in my next video, which should come out in about a week.